Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add products in Shopify the right way, even if you're completely new to online selling using the latest Shopify interface in 2026. Adding products correctly is extremely important because this is what customers see before they decide to buy. So yeah, let's walk through it in a simple and clear way. Once you log into your Shopify account, you'll see the main admin dashboard. From here, open the products section. This is where all your store items are managed. Now click the option to add a new product. Start by entering a clear and descriptive product title. Your title should instantly explain what the product is and who it's for. Avoid being too fancy. Clarity always works better. Next, move to the product description. Here, explain what the product does, how it helps the customer, and why it's worth buying. Break information into short paragraphs so it's easy to read. Yeah, customers usually scan, not read everything. After that, upload product images. Use high-quality photos with good lighting. If possible, add multiple images showing different angles or usage. Strong visuals build trust and increase conversions. Now set the pricing, enter the selling price, and if needed, add a compare at price to show discounts. This makes offers look more attractive to buyers. Next, adjust inventory settings. If you're selling physical products, turn on inventory tracking and enter the stock quantity. If you're selling digital or dropshipping products, you can manage stock differently or keep it unlimited. Then look at the shipping section. If the product requires shipping, make sure weight and shipping details are filled in correctly. This helps calculate accurate shipping rates at checkout. You can also organize your products using collections. Collections help customers browse your store easily and improve the overall shopping experience. Before saving, review everything one more time. Check spelling, pricing, images, and descriptions. Small mistakes can affect trust and sales. Once everything looks good, save the product. Your product is now live and ready for customers to purchase. So yeah, that's how to add products in Shopify step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify and e-commerce tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.